Updating your personal information on SoFi is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SoFi website or open the SoFi app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Profile settings, look for an option labeled Personal Information or similar. Click on this option to view your current details. Step 4. Update your information. Edit the fields that need updating, such as your address, phone number, or email. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. By following these steps, you can easily keep your personal information up to date on SoFi. Regular updates help maintain the accuracy of your account and ensure you receive important communications.